Welcome! Today I'm running INFINIX Smart 6 HD and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first let's just select the application and drag this app to another one, and now we have created the new home screen folder. If you want to add here one more app by the same way, just hold it and drag it here to the application, to the folder. If you want to add a couple of apps in one time, you should click here to plus icon, and after that just select the applications which you want to add. For example, let's use the 9 applications from 21, then just tap here to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully add them here. If you want to give a name to this folder, just tap on the name and then enter the apps. Now we can see that we just successfully renamed this folder. If you want to move the folder on the screen, just hold it and drag it by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. And if you want to just move the folder between the screens, just hold it and drag it to the left side, for example. Or if you want to create the new screen, sorry, where is my app? If you want to create the new screen, just hold it and drag it here to the right side. So if you want to remove one application from the folder and you want to stay with this app on the home screen, just hold it and drag it. Hold it and drag. Why I can't do that? Just okay, one more time. Hold and drag it to the home screen by this way. But if you want to remove only one application, you can hold it and then just tap here to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application here in the apps menu. If you want to remove a lot of applications, just a couple of apps in one click, just please click here to this plus icon and then just unselect the application, tap here to OK. And if you want to remove all of the applications just in one time by the same way, just hold it and unselect all of the apps, tap to OK, and that's it. Now all of these applications, they are here on our home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.